In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to connect with others seamlessly. So grab your device and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com, or simply launch the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet. You'll want to make sure you're on the official page or using the official app, as this ensures you have access to the latest features and security updates that Google regularly provides. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you'd like to use for the meeting. This is vital because it not only establishes your host credentials, but also allows you to access your contacts and calendar, making the scheduling process smoother. Remember, a strong and unique password is always a good idea for protecting your account. Once you're signed in, look for the New Meeting button. It's usually prominent on the screen, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Click on it. You'll be presented with two options: Start an instant meeting or Schedule in Google Calendar. If you're ready to dive in right now, Start an instant meeting is your go-to. However, if you're planning ahead and want to ensure everyone gets the invite well in advance, select Schedule in Google Calendar. This will take you to a familiar interface where you can add details like participants, date, time, and include any agenda or notes, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. After your meeting window has opened, whether it's immediate or pre-scheduled, the next step is to share it with others. You'll notice an option labeled Copy Joining Info, which is crucial for inviting your participants. Clicking it will copy the meeting link and details to your clipboard. You can then paste this information into an email, chat message, or any communication platform you prefer. This makes it easy for others to join your session. As the meeting gets underway and participants start joining, you'll have the capabilities of a host. This includes admitting people into the meeting, a useful feature to ensure only invited individuals participate. You can also mute them if background noise becomes an issue, ensuring the meeting runs smoothly. And if necessary, you can remove someone from the meeting as well. This control helps maintain the meeting's focus and security, ensuring a professional and efficient online gathering. And that's it. You've successfully created and hosted your meeting on Google Meet. Now you can engage with your team, conduct presentations, or catch up with friends with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. See you in the next tutorial.